flex line and you want to pull the stop, you may cause a leak or you may damage the gas line.
If you face a problem with your gas cable at home, you'll know how to change it in just a few simple steps.
This is enough. Always get minimum length of gas flex line for you to easy to pull it and easy to pull it back. If you have a short gas line, and you may have a problem by pulling it out. So it's better to have a long, minimum 48. If you have a short flex line and you want to pull the stop, you may cause a leak or you may damage the gas line. So it's better to have a length 48 inch where you're able to walk in and walk out.
Contact us, allrouterplumbing.com, for professional plumbing services.